It's me again mga katribo, Rads here. Welcome back. Kamusta kayo? Ngayon pag-uusapan naman natin ang SNR 102 or Introduction to Darvas Trading. Let's go! In this module, we will introduce to you how we can trade using Darvas boxes, how to do the box plotting, and how we can identify the parts of Darvas. For the last one, we will help you in identifying the type of boxes that will help you in your stock selection process. Let's go! Let's start first with the chart. Anong nakikita nyo guys? The price action is telling us na it is on a sideways movement. If di ka pa rin convinced, lagyan natin ng MAs. Alright. Ngayon, anong nakikita nyo guys? Klaro na ba? Di ba yan yung tinuro ni Boss Raf? Pag spaghetti nga, anong tawag dito? It is making a sideways movement. Mahalaga na naintindihan natin ang price action sa Darvas Trading kasi yun ang ginagawa natin. Kinukulong natin ang price action sa Darvas box. Kasi nga sabi ko last time, it is our playground. It is important that we know na ang sideways price action is a good precursor or preparation for a good breakout. If I am to describe this event, it is like a tsunami. The more na may accumulation ng water before the tsunami happen, the more powerful it will be. Same thing sa breakout. The longer na may accumulation of price within that sideways range or area, expect a big move once the price breaks out. Unfortunately guys, the same is true if hindi mag-hold ang support. For this video pala guys, we will be focusing on breakout trading. Teka sir, question, ano yung breakout? Sige, explain natin yan. Halimbawa yung stocks nagsa-sideways. Di ba tinuro ko na yung SNR last time? The price will hover within that range, your resistance and your support. Pag hindi nag-hold yung support, didiretso yun pababa at tatawagin natin yung price or breakdown. Ngayon, pag umakit ang price, okay, di ba? Pag pababa, it's called breakdown. Ano yung tawag pag paakyat? Break up.
You had been the best, and you chose to break now.
Hindi break up, guys.
I just made the choice.
Pangit yan. Ang tawag natin dito ay break out. Anyway, let's go back to the main topic. Kung nagsa-sideways yung stock, it means there is something that is holding the stock from moving upward. Ano nga ulit ang tawag natin dito? If natatandaan nyo pa, ito ang tinatawag nating resistance area. Itong stock na to ay non-trending for almost a year. Ang tanong, kailan ka dapat pumasok? Remember, we are breakout traders. Imagine, if pumasok ka sa range na yan, possibly maipit ka during the consolidation. It doesn't mean na dahil matagal na siya nagko-conso or more than a year, magbe-breakout na siya. Hindi ganun yun guys. Pwede pa siya mag-conso for another year,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, forever and ever!
Worst is, mag-breakdown yung price after waiting for so long. Medyo masaklap yun sir. What you can do is just sit tight, relax, and wait. Wait for what? Diba sanay ka naman maghintay, hinintayin mo siya, pero ayaw niya magpahintay. Hindi. Stocks pa din to guys, stocks. Anyway, okay. Wait for the breakout to happen. Breakouts are sign of strength. What strength? Strength of trends. Diba yun naman gusto natin yung mga trending. Let's say pumasok ka sa breakout. And this happened. Nag-trend siya for 1 month after long consolidation. If I am not mistaken, this resulted to more than 160% in just a span of 1 month. Ano pang napansin nyo guys beside dito? Meron tayong AOTS, which tells us it is on an uptrend. That's it, guys. That's the beauty of being a breakout trader. It will save us a lot of time waiting. Now, we'll proceed to the anatomy of Darvas box. So, ano nga ba or paano ang tamang pagplat ng mga boxes and how we should look at this? So, nakikita nyo guys, meron tayong dalawang box. Sa plotting, importante na alam natin ang parts ng Darvas and their roles. These are your box tops. And they are acting as your resistance. Once ma-breakout yung price, the previous box top prior to the breakout can potentially act as support, which is now your box bottom. Again, potential lang siya after a breakout from the box top. Hindi siya conclusive na siya yung magiging support. Tingnan nyo tong first box bottom natin. Actually, galing din siya sa breakout. Kung mapapansin nyo, di naman box top ng previous box ang naging new box bottom. I hope that is clear, guys. So, potential lang siya, guys. And I just want to emphasize lang din, in order to form a new box, there must be a breakout or breakdown if we're talking about downtrend. So, yan yung box plotting. Now, pag-usapan naman natin ano pa ang different functionality ng Darvas box aside sa pag-identify ng SNR. Sir, may iba pang function ng Darvas box. Aba, o naman, Brad. Pag-usapan natin yan. Kung ang MAs can identify trends by looking at the alignment, si Darvas meron ding tinatawag na alignment of the boxes. Hindi. Joke lang yun, guys. Wala tayong tinatawag na ganun. Ang tawag dito ay box formations. Anong napapansin nyo dito, guys? The box is creating upward or ascending boxes. Ang gusto ko sabihin dito or gusto sabihin ng Darvas is that the stock is on an uptrend. Is that clear? Ayan siya, guys. Kita nyo meron tayong high and low after an initial run up. And the stock is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. Keep in mind, an uptrend stock creates a series of higher highs and higher lows. Emphasis on S. It is series of higher highs and lows. This is very important in plotting. Remember, no breakout, no higher high. No breakdown, no lower low or lower high. But in Darvas trading, it just simply means na pag nakakita ng upward boxes, it is uptrend. Okay. Same thing sa downtrend, kabaliktaran lang. The stock is creating downward boxes or a series of lower lows and lower highs. Ready ka ba? Meron tayong quiz. Bilisan lang natin. Instruction, I'll give you 3 seconds for each chart to identify the trend using the box formation alone. Ready? Alright, let's do this! 3, 2, 1. Downtrend. Okay, next tayo, guys. 3, 2, 1. Uptrend. Kaya pa? Okay. Last one. Sabay-sabay tayong mag-reveal. Ready ka na ba, guys? Ready na ba kayo, guys? Ang dami nun, 3, 2, 1. Sideways. Remember what I said? It is a series of higher highs and lows. Focus on S. If di pa kayo convinced, i-on natin yung MAs. Di ba spaghetti yan? Ito pa, pay attention. Look at the third box. Anong ginawa niya? It invalidated yung series of higher highs and higher lows. Kasi after mag-isang higher high and higher low, wala pa tayong series. Bumalik siya sa lower high and lower low. I hope that's clear. Now, let's move to another topic. Similar to MAs, di ba na-identify natin yung speed based on the distance of the MAs? Sa Darvas, we can also identify how strong the price action of a stock based on the type of boxes. We have 3. Let's start with the type 1 box or normal box. Assuming a stock is already on an uptrend, ito ang magiging itsura niya. Mapapansin nyo yung new box after a breakout is close to the old box but not overlapping. The same for downtrending. Close but not overlapping. So yung old niya is nasa taas, yung new nasa baba, pero magkadikit lang sila. Ito yung sinasabi natin earlier na the previous box top becomes the new box bottom after a breakout. Now, for the type 2 box or the strong box, anong napansin nyo dito guys? The boxes are away from each other. Meron tayong gap which indicates a faster trend and a very bullish. If we're talking about uptrend, we sometimes call this as hot hands. There is a higher probability for this stock to create a newer highs compared to type 1. The last one naman ay, or yung type 3 natin is what we call weak box. For type 3 darbas or weak box, we can see an overlap of the new box sa old box. Kaya siya weak kasi bumabalik yung price sa loob ng old box. It means walang enough support. Kaya tendency, napapakat tayo dyan. And the list nga natin itong hinahanap. Ayaw natin ng ganyan. Ngayon, alam nyo na how to do this. This will help you on your stock selection. For an uptrend, we look for a fast mover. Siyempre, if downtrend naman, mas prefer natin yung gumagawa ng weak box. Kasi it means that buyers are trying to push the price upward but fail to do so. Alright, that's it guys. Let's have an exercise ulit. Quiz time again. Identify the type of boxes that I will be showing. 3 seconds ulit guys. Kayang-kaya niyan. Ready na? Alright. 3, 2, 1. It is a strong box or type 2. Confirm natin with MAs. Ayan. Pansin nyo, di ba yan yung fast trail natin na tinuro ni Sir Raf? Okay. Next. 3, 2, 1. Weak box or type 3. Confirm din natin with MAs. Pansin nyo, this is a slow trail of or slow trail kind of MAs. Alright, for the last one guys, ito na. 3, 2, 1. This is just simply a normal box. For type 1, easy lang, di ba guys? Kayang-kaya na. Pero huwag muna kayo magte-trade. Mag-aral muna tayo dito. Okay. I hope marami kayong natutunan. Konting recap lang muna before we end the session. A sideways movement is a good precursor for a good breakout. If there is no breakout, then there is no new box. Your Darvas box can be used to identify trends, and it can also help you to identify how strong is the move or the price action by using or looking at the type of box formation. Alright, that's it for this video. Kita-kits next time. Rod's here, signing off.